I was not hoping na makakapunta pa ako ng US at my age, ha. So my first ever employer, they filed for my petition, and after 4 months, everything is already good, and I got my priority date dated November 2007. Retrogression was already in effect before pa ako mag-file ng petition. I started to process my papers and NCLEX and IELTS 2006 pa. And dumating na yung 2008, wala pa rin, hindi pa rin ako nakaalis. At that time, I was devastated na. Ang tagal ng inantay ko. And walang naibigay yung employer ko na update about sa akin, and retrogression was still in effect. I decided to go to Saudi Arabia to work as a physical therapist. I was in Saudi Arabia for 9 years. Dumating lang yung time na nagkaroon ng pandemic and I lost my job because na bankrupt yung company namin sa Saudi Arabia. I had to go home. And during that time, nakita ko yung post ni Town sa FB. And I called one of their agents and sinabi nila na yes, matutulungan nila ako na buhayin yung dream ko na makapunta ng US. So I took the IELTS once again. When I passed, I submitted all my papers and then nakaalis na rin ako, and here I am. Buhay pa yung American dream until now. Before I signed up with Town, I was already more than 10 years as an OFW. I was not expecting to be here in the US with my family after 10 years as an OFW. But still, Town made it possible for me and my family to come here. So utang na loob ko sa kanila yan. And as a Pinoy, babayaran natin yung utang na loob natin. I will complete my contract with Town. So 11 months to go, tatapos ko na yon. Bawi na ako kay Town and thankful ako. It all boils down to sino nagpadala sa akin dito. It's Town. So thankful talaga ako kay Town.